Welcome to this beautiful 4-bedroom home in a convenient area of Halifax.
Sit out on the porch, dear. Tea is sweet like smiles on faces. Water's warm, so jump right in.
Let's go inside.
Horses racing.
Here we have a beautiful entrance area with a bench. Take off your shoes. Closet is right here for the coats. Extra cabinet that's staying behind for shoes, mittens and everything else. Stairs going up, and to the left is a beautiful, spacious and bright living room. Large windows. Heat pump here. Hardwood floors. And the living room is joined with the kitchen. Kitchen has lots of cabinets. Pantry. Backsplash. Nice big island, enough for 4 people. Dining room area with access to the deck. So let's take a look at the deck here. Powder room next to the dining area. And let's go take a look upstairs. Here at the top of the stairs to the right is primary bedroom. It's a large window to the backyard. Walk-in closet. Ensuite bath. Good shape. Here's a second bedroom. Nice and spacious with a closet. This is convenient laundry, washer and dryer, good quality, and another full bathroom. So there's 2 full bathrooms on this level. Both of them have windows. And the third bedroom on this level, also with a large window. So the most exciting part to me in this house is obviously the location, because you can walk to the parks from here in Hale Pond around the lake. You can walk there just a minute, and a beautiful trails around the lake. You can also go to Long Lake Park for walking and hiking. Chocolate Lake Beach is not far away, and also the Dingle Tower, and we are close to downtown and everything that it has to offer. So here we are in the basement. Also a bathroom here with a closet. This is a utility room with a furnace and hot water tank. On the basement in this house, because it could be in-law suite, or you can host international student and make some money, or perhaps, and you need to look into the rules, but perhaps secondary suite because it has a full bedroom, a walkout to the backyard. This recreation room here. Let's take a look on the backyard. Nice fireplace, it's stained.
Find a tree and sit right under. Watch the ladybugs take flight. Try and catch a four-leaf clover. Everything is alright. Make it last as long as you can. Make the sunlight your best friend. Sleep with windows open and then begin again.
Let me know if you have any questions. Valentina Kenny, Royal LePage Atlantic. I hope to see you in Halifax sometime. Bye.